Prefabrication is a method of working where we take components and assemble them away from the site in a controlled environment. Every project, be it large or small, will have elements of prefabrication in it, some more than others. Prefabrication shouldn't just be thought of as large-scale modules, but also things that we can do, such as lighting distribution boards, power distribution boards, lighting and luminaires, pre-wiring cables, valve assemblies on pipework, plant skids. Every project will have an element of prefabrication in it, which we want to do here and at Worthing.
The benefits of Worthing is priceless. The works that they produce there, their fabrication abilities is second to none.
Every project is a series of interconnected events, and one thing can't start until something else has been completed. So often or not with M&E, we can't start until a room's ready for us, and that could be from weeks to months before we're in a position to start. We can use that time here. We can build components 80%, 90% of that room off-site, so that when the builder is ready for us and gives us the keys, we can literally be in there and the work is complete within a matter of days rather than weeks.
It brings many benefits. Accidents, without a doubt, down to minimal, maybe cuts and abrasions. And we've got a couple of guys here that are in their 60s that thrive working here. They're not talking about retiring, they're actually working with the younger lads, passing on their skill set, which I feel probably would have been lost had it not been for this process.
We used to look at a project and think, what can we prefabricate? Today we try to look at a project and ask ourselves, what can't we prefabricate? An example of something quite minor but very simple would be just the average distribution board, where previously the distribution board would be delivered to site, it would be hung on a wall and then the electricians would wire it. We can now prefabricate that distribution board on a steel panel here in Chelmsford. We can wire it, we can loom it, we can test it, and then we can deliver it as a single component that just needs to be screwed to a wall. We've been prefabricating for probably 20 years now. This is different in that we've now got 2 dedicated units. Wastage is much reduced because all the materials are kept on site. We use what we need and any offcuts are stored to be used on another part of the build.
Somewhere like here, because of the control of materials that we can maintain in a building like this, we can save 25% of what we would be supplying on the job. Nothing gets wasted.
Prefabrication brings many benefits to the business. Productivity is greatly increased because we have everything that we need in one location. Health and safety is increased because we work in a controlled environment.
Without a doubt we have the skill set. That's what makes it easier to work with. The guys that we have, they innovate, they come up with ideas that we've not even thought of to make things easier. The guys have pride in what they do and they will actually see what they've built here to an end product on the job.
Combining Gratte Brothers' engineering expertise and with our controlled environment, bring those two together and we end up maintaining the Gratte Brother quality that everybody knows and expects.